Is your new Windows install always filled with unwanted apps, games, trials, and things you never plan to use? If yes, then today I'm going to show you a very simple method to install Windows 11 without any extra junk. No third party software, no risky tools, and nothing confusing. Just one small change during setup that gives you a fresh, clean Windows experience. I will explain everything step by step in the easiest way possible. So let's get started. Before you start, please back up all your important files. This process will wipe your whole drive. So make sure your important documents are saved somewhere safe. Do not skip this part. Once the drive is erased, you cannot recover anything. Now you need a Windows 10 or Windows 11 bootable USB. If you don't have one or if you are not sure how to create it, then don't worry. Here's a step-by-step tutorial for you. So make sure to check it out before moving forward. Once your USB is ready, we can continue with the clean installation. First, insert the USB into the computer where you want to install Windows. Restart your computer and open the boot menu by pressing F12, F2 or delete as soon as your PC turns on. Now here, choose your USB drive to boot. If you see press any key to boot from USB, press a key quickly. If you miss it, then restart and try again. When you see the screen asking for language, time and keyboard, pause here. Change only one option, time and currency format. Here, choose English World. Not US, UK or Canada. Choose World only. By doing this, Windows gets confused about your region and skips installing third-party apps and other unwanted bloatware. Now click Next and continue the setup normally. Now click on Install Windows 11. After that, make sure you tick the checkbox that says I agree everything will be deleted including files, apps and settings. This step is very important because it ensures a completely clean installation, removing all old system files, corrupted data and leftover settings that may slow down your PC. When it asks for the product key, simply click I don't have a product key. Next, select your Windows Edition and click Next. Now accept the license terms. Please be patient. This process takes a little time. Now choose the partition where you want to install Windows 11. I have a separate partition for my Windows 11, so I am selecting that. And as you can see, it is listed here. After selecting, click on Next. Note: before making any changes, I highly recommended backing up your drive. If anything goes wrong, everything on the drive could be lost. After that, simply click Install. As you can see, Windows is now installing. Wait patiently until it completes. After the first restart, you may see this message. Something went wrong. OOBE region. Nothing to worry about. This is normal. Just click skip and move ahead. Click yes. And then click on skip. When it asks for an internet connection, simply click on I don't have internet. You need to do this because it skips Microsoft Online setup and lets you continue the installation without signing in. This makes the process faster, easier, and avoids unnecessary accounts requirements. Now enter your name and click Next. After that, enter your password and click Next. Enter the same password one more time to confirm it. Then click Next. Next, choose your security question. Enter your answer and click Next. And now, as you can see, the Windows 11 welcome screen appears. Once you reach your desktop, open the Start menu. You will notice no random apps, no trial software, no third-party junk, only clean Windows. Microsoft's own default apps will still be there, but all the extra clutter is gone. Now it's time to switch your region back. So go to Settings. Then go to Time and Language. After that, Region. Now choose your real country. This will fix store apps and other region-based features. Don't worry, selecting your region again will not bring the junk back. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorial and fixes. Your support is really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.